No, 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 come on. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me? Alright guys, well listen, this is one of those videos that nobody wants to make, but I feel like it's necessary, you know, in hopes that it helps one of you guys. But, you know, I've been keeping fish for many years. In fact, since I was 5 years old. So I've been through a lot with fish, and this video sucks because I don't really want to make this video because that means that it really happened, and I really wish it hadn't happened, but it did, and this is just what happens. But, you know, fish don't just die. There's a reason, right? There's a reason that they die. They either get sick or they're old or what have you. But the thing is when a fish is old and it passes away due to old age, that's one thing. When you have one of your big fish just die, it sucks. And that's what has happened. So she's gone, and it sucks, and I don't even know what to say. But my Atabapo pike has gone to fish heaven, and it's a very unfortunate situation because it shouldn't have happened. It was not anything to do with me and how I took care of her. It was actually an equipment malfunction, and you know, we'll get into that in a little bit. But like I said, hopefully making this video helps you guys in some way. But you know, what we're going to look at today is, first off, we're going to look at the footage of us burying her. You know, she was a very important fish. I've had her for about 9 months, and she was, you know, she's a fairly expensive fish, and not that it matters how much she cost. I liked it. It was a great fish, but you know, we lost her. So I'm gonna show you that footage of us burying her, and then let's look at a couple of, you know, clips from when we got her, and I'll see you guys back here in just a minute. All right, it's time for Brenton to pick my fish. Whoa, 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 whoa. Be careful, dude. There's something below you that will hurt you bad. Don't touch. Dude, seriously. Ow. Oh my God. I told you not to touch it, dude. Oh my God. Oh, you're freaking cactus. You're such an idiot. So we are here today at a fish wholesaler that we do work with all the time. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be filming a video where Brenton is blindfolded, and he's going to pick me a fish. And then good old Ian here is going to have those shipped to Aqua Studios in their next order for us to go pick up. It's going to be odd because we're not going to know what fish are picked until after they're delivered and we open the box. You ready, dude? Get your fingers out your mouth. You want the COVID-19? Come on.
No, the corona disease.
You want the corona disease? No. All right, so we just finished up filming Brenton's segment of this where he picked a fish blindfolded for himself. Now he's going to pick one for me. What was that? Hey, what are you screaming about? What are you doing? We were on the other aisle. What are you screaming about?
You didn't just slap me?
No? Did you seriously just get slapped?
I definitely got slapped.
Dude, you know I used to work here. This place is haunted.
Shut up.
Seriously. The wind's coming from the north. Don't put your hand in that. Don't. No. Something might get you. Because there's dangerous fish in here.
I want this one.
You want that one?
Yeah.
Okay. Dude, that is awesome.
Did I put my finger in there?
That's the fish you picked for me?
Yeah.
Oh, dude, that is amazing. Thank you very much.
Is it expensive?
I don't know.
So we're gonna start with this massive tank right here. Well, I say it's massive. It's not massive. It's like 65 gallons, but still, it's a decent sized tank for this fish to start out in. And we're going to scape this thing out with some red substrate, which I've never used the red substrate before, but this is volcanic rock, I believe, or clay rock or something. It is a planted substrate, so we're gonna use some of that. We're going to use some dragonstone. We're gonna use different types of driftwood. We have some of this, we have some plants. We also have this piece of driftwood, which we're gonna put in there. So we started with building a new tank for the pike, and then we went into building a jungle gym for the goats. And now, Brenton is getting COVID-19 from the source.
You like to watch? No.
Yeah, and now he has COVID-19 on his watch. As you can see with the social distancing. Oh, look at and it just... oh. Calm down. Oh, there he goes.
I was just trying to pull the tank. What are you doing?
I was putting the pike in there. Look at him. Look how pretty he is. Oh, yeah. Eat your heart out, Tony Mustache. That's a pike.
Wow.
Trying to get on best fishing.
Oh, yeah.
Now that is a beautiful specimen of a fish.
Yeah, you just barged in really loud.
Sorry.
Just trying to film the tank.
I mean, like he was fighting like he was on the end of a hook. We just caught that pike out of the pond out back. You know, he's a tropical pike, but
At least he moves around.
he does. He's a good looking fish, I'll tell you that. So this particular pike, he's not red as you see in pictures of a red pike, and that is because the red color actually comes from their diet, very much like flamingos.
Shut up!
Anyway, all right guys, hopefully you enjoyed that old content of Brenton and I going out to get this fish. We definitely had a great time that day. I will let you know tomorrow I will be putting out a Vlogmas, and then I'm gonna skip a day or two just so I can catch up on content. You know, it sucks to make these kinds of videos, but hopefully, you know, just bringing this to your attention will help you in some way with equipment malfunctions and things like that. Keeping an eye on your equipment so the same thing doesn't happen to you. But if you're enjoying these Vlogmas, just make sure you drop a comment down below and let me know. And make sure you subscribe, turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any of them, because there's gonna be quite a few updates on things that people have been asking for throughout this period. As an example, tomorrow's video is actually gonna be a guppy update. If you don't remember, I put out a video on a super cheap investment of $30 on breeding guppies, and I wanted to give you an update on all that. So that will be coming out tomorrow, so make sure that you have your notification bell on so you don't miss that video. And in fact, I'll be premiering that, so I will be interacting with everybody in the comments. Make sure you drop by and say hello. With all of that being said, I appreciate the support, everybody. I appreciate all the views, all the subscriptions, all the likes, all of it. I am truly 100% grateful for each and every one of you guys. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. I really appreciate you supporting me through this journey. And hey, we'll see you next time.